वायरल फीमेल बॉडी कैंटिक असल रशिया की गया एलिसा अलिशा वेलियोनो
हेलो एवरीवन, वी हैव टू डिस्कस अबाउट दैट यूपीएससी प्रीलिम्स 2024 क्वेश्चन नंबर 31। What are fractals? Fractals, complex structures characterized by the self-similarly 8 different scales. 8 डिफरेंट स्केल्स। एक्सप्लेनेशंस देख लेते हैं। कॉन्टैक्ट physicists and are using the Fractal geometry and to study quantum systems and providing a unique perspectives on the certainties of the quantum physicals. And what are the fractal? Fractals are complex structures that exhibit and self-similarly, meaning they look similar at various scales, and this the poverty and allow them to be detailed and complex at similar to small and larger part of themselves. Question number 32. Which of the following statement correctly describe the involves isotopes? An isotope is a type of the molecules formed by the combination of two or more elements, and isotopes are the atom of the some elements and with the same numbers of protons but different numbers of neutrons. Isotopes are particles and find in the nucleus of an atom, and that determine its the chemicals prosperity. And isotopes and are the unstable atom, and that the undergo in radioactive decay. Explanations. Isotopes are various. Variant B is correct. Isotopes are variant of the chemicals element that have the same numbers of protons and thus the same chemicals properties but differs in the numbers of the neutron in their the nuclei. This different in neutron number leads in various in atoms to in atomic mass. For example, carbon 12, carbon 14 are isotopes of the carbon as they have the same numbers of the protons and but different numbers of neutrons. Question number 33. What is nitrogen 9? Stable isotopes commonly and found in the earth atmosphere and artificials produced isotopes and used in the nuclear reaction. A naturally occurring the radioactive isotopes and with the medical applications. B is correct. An artificial product by the isotopes used in the nuclear reactions. What is nitrogen 9? It is the characterized by other 7 protons and 2 neutrons and the normal nitrogen atom and has and the atomic nucleus of 7 and an atomic mass of 14 and 7 proton and 7 neutrons. And what is the unusual about the nitrogen 9? Nitrogen 9 is considered unusual because it has the uncommon combinations of 7 proton and 2 7 protons and 2 neutron in its the atomic nucleus. This creation and the unusually high ratio of the protons and in the neutrons. Typically element have the balanced ratios for the stability of but nitrogen 9 high proton and contact makes it less stable challengings and the conventional stabilities and threshold, and this the oddity and raised questions about its the existences in this state and how it's the maintain stability, introducing the complexity to our the understanding of atomic nuclei. Question number 34. Consider the following statement about the X-ray polarimeter satellites. XPOSat. C. All three. How many of the above statements are correct? All three. C. XPOSat is held as the India first polarimetry and missions and the world second of its kind after the NASA's and imaging X-ray Remetry Explorer and IXPE, and it will be launched and by using a polar satellite launch vehicles. PSLV is anticipated to be the launch in a few months using other polar satellite launch vehicles PSLV. How many of the above statement are correct? So all three is correct. Explanations देख लेते हैं. ISRO next big space launch after the Chandrayaan 3 and the Aditya L1 and is the X-ray pulse satellite XPOSat, and the primary objectives of these satellites is to study various dynamics of bright astronomical X-ray source in extreme conditions, and XPOSat is the anticipated to be launched in other few months and using other polar satellite launch vehicles. PSLV, it is designed to have other mission and life of at least and 5 years, and XPOSat is hailed as the Indian first polar military polymeter explosion and XPEN is launched in the 2021 polar military is simple terms and is other method to study and how light waves move. It's help us the understand and the direction and pattern in which lights and waves the vibrant as they travels. Consider the following statement about X-ray. X-ray have the shorter wavelength and then the ultraviolet and UV rays. X-ray can be used for medical imaging and to the visualized and bones and tissues. X-ray travel at the same speed as the visual light. How many of the above statements are correct? B. Only two is correct. Explanation. Statement third is incorrect, and X-ray have the shorter wavelength then ultraviolet and waves, ultraviolet and UV rays and UV rays in the electromagnetics spectrum. X-ray and fell between ultraviolet light and the gammas and rays. X-ray are the widely used and in the medicines and for the diagnostics and imaging such as the X-ray and the radiography, and they can the penetrate and soft tissues but are the observed by denser materials and like the bones, and this the property makes the X-rays useful for the visualizing and the international structures of the human bodies. And X-ray do not travel and at the same speed as the visual light in other vacuums. All form of the electromagnetic radiations and including X-ray and visual light and travels at the speed of the light, and but they can be affected by the different material causing the variations and in their speed. Question number 36. Consider the following statement regarding the International Space Station ISS. The ISS is the first space station and to be built and operated. ISS is not and the entirely in zero gravity space, and its that encounters a little bit of gravities. Thrusters must be sent periodically, and that the attach themselves to the ISS for keeping it in orbit. How many of the above statements are correct? B. Only two is correct. Explanations. Only second and third are correct, and the ISS is not the first space station to be built and operated. Several small space stations have been used earlier, the most famous of which have been the Russia's Mir space station that operated in the 1918 and the American Skylab. And ISS is not the entirely in zero gravity space. It does encounter a little bit of gravity also. It is lost a bit of the energy, and as it's the move around the earth left to itself, the ISS would fall down and the Russias and periodically and send the thrusters and that the attach and themselves to the issues and the impart and requires momentum. regarding the land grants and the programs and which statement is acquired, and C is correct. A set of the conjunctions and connecting numbers in theory and harmonics analysis. Explanation: what is the land and programs? The land programs is the comparatively and influences research initiative in the mathematics, and that aims to the established deep connections and between to the seemingly and unrelated areas of mathematics and number theory and the harmonical analysis. Significant: the lands and programs has had a profound impact on various branches of mathematics, leading to the significant breakthrough and application in solving long-standing mathematical problems. And question number 38: which of the following statement about the tantalum is correct? B. Tantalum is primarily used in the productions of lightweight alloy for the aircraft constructions. Explanation: contact. Tantalum are the rare metals and has recently been discovered in the Sutlej rivers and by and the IIT and Ropers teams. Tantalum is often used in the production of high performance alloy due to its